How to balance pH levels naturally for kidney health. Keeping the body's pH in a healthy range is important for protecting the kidneys. When the body becomes too acidic, the kidneys must work harder to filter waste and maintain mineral balance. Over time, this can make kidney problems worse. Knowing how to balance pH levels naturally for kidney health can support better energy, smoother detoxification, and overall kidney function. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Eat more alkaline-forming foods. Food plays a major role in pH balance. Add more leafy greens, cucumbers, celery, broccoli, lemons, and avocados. These foods help reduce acid buildup. Try to limit red meat, processed snacks, sugary foods, and too much dairy, which create more acid. 2. Drink enough water daily. Hydration helps dilute acids and supports kidney filtration. Sip water throughout the day instead of drinking large amounts at once. A small squeeze of lemon can also help promote a gentle alkalizing effect. 3. Try natural alkalizing options. Simple natural remedies can support pH balance. Apple cider vinegar, wheatgrass, and small amounts of baking soda, only with professional guidance, may help neutralize excess acid. These options are easy to add to daily routines. 4. Reduce stress levels. Stress increases acid production in the body. Short breathing exercises, meditation, stretching, or a brief walk can calm the system and lighten the load on the kidneys. 5. Support a healthy gut. Good digestion helps control acid levels. Include probiotic foods like kimchi, miso, or sauerkraut, along with fiber-rich vegetables. A balanced gut helps remove waste more effectively and supports kidney health. 6. Keep protein intake moderate. Protein is important, but too much, especially animal protein, creates more acid. Choose plant-based proteins more often, such as lentils, beans, and quinoa. If you eat animal protein, keep the portions moderate. Balancing your pH does not require complicated steps. With simple habits like drinking more water, choosing alkaline foods, reducing stress, and supporting gut health, you can help protect your kidneys and promote long-term wellness. Small daily changes can make a meaningful difference in your kidney health. Always speak with a healthcare professional before making major adjustments, especially if you have kidney concerns. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.